The library offers reading challenges for all ages on Beanstack. To access Beanstack, go to oceancitylibrary.beanstack.org. Here you will see the home page. If it's your first time using Beanstack, you can create an account using the registration links here. If you already have an account, you can sign in here. If you scroll down further, you will see instructions on how to participate in the reading challenge. You can also see our community reading goal and book reviews from fellow readers. For now, we will sign in to see an account. Once you sign in, you will see your account's homepage. If there is a current challenge available, you will see it here. For now, we will look at a past challenge as an example. To read about the challenge and the rules, go to the overview and you will see it here. You can also see the badges that you are eligible for. In this case, you can earn badges for points, and you can earn badges for activities that you complete. You can also see rewards that you can win along the way, and you can keep track of your tickets that you earn and can put towards prize drawings. Each reading challenge will vary in terms of what badges, rewards, and ticket drawings are offered. To log your reading, go to the pink button at the top left corner. If you are registered as a family, you can choose different readers to log for. You can either log books or log minutes. You would enter the minutes you've read here. You can also enter the title, the author, and a book review, and then you would click Log. Once you're back on your account homepage, you can see your user dashboard at the top. You can add friends. You can read and write reviews. You can look at the badges that you've earned, and you can look at your reading log. You are now all set to start the reading challenge. If you have any questions, you can call 609-399-2434, extension 5222.